Hi guys, I just wanted to kind of sit down and do this vlog style real fast because I'm not gonna be on here very long today. I'm not feeling well, as you can see from my attire. I have just gotten off of work. So I just kind of wanted to say this because I think it's worth saying. Since my last video, a lot of you have commented or reached out or said to me, I don't know how you do it. You're so strong. You're so much stronger than I am. I couldn't do it. That's not entirely true. Uh, it's not true at all, in fact. The fact of the matter is there's no secret to it. I'm not that strong. I'm not special. I have a checklist I go through every day to make sure I'm okay. Honestly, I ask myself these questions every single day, and I'll tell you what they are. I ask myself, are you in physical distress? Can you breathe? Can you still see as well as you could, over the last 24 hours? Do you have free range of motion? If the answer to all of these things are yes, then I ask myself, are you in mental distress? If the answer is no to that, I move on to, are you safe? Are you safe, warm, clean, and dry? Do you have food? Do you have water? If the answer to all of these things is yes, I move on. Do I need support right now from someone in my support system? Emotional or physical? A place a nice chest to lay my head on? A lot of times the answer to that is yes. And so that's where I stop. But that's how I get through the day. That's how I gauge how I'm doing. I ask myself how I'm doing. I ask myself how I'm doing all the time, not just once a day, several times a day. I make sure I'm all right. I make sure I take care of myself. I do things that comfort myself. I go to the salon. Not to get my hair done because I've not been able to because of the head pain, but I do see an esthetician. She takes care of my skin, and just the pampering really makes me feel mentally better. Other than that, there's literally no secret. Here it is. This is the secret. Shh, come here, I'll tell you. You wake up every day because you're alive. That's it. You wake up every day because you're alive. You go to work because you don't want to lose your place. You want to have a clean, dry, warm place to lay your head so that you are safe and taken care of. That's it. That's the whole secret. There is no secret. It's just living. It's just not giving up. That's it. No secret at all. And believe me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. That I promise you, my friend. So there's my secret. That is it. That's the big deal. No big deal at all. Anyway, thanks for all the comments and everything, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.